Chennai 14th edition of Source India Electronics Supply Chain 2025 commenced at the Chennai Trade Center, signaling a pivotal moment for India's rapidly growing electronics industry. Organized by the Electronics Industries Association of India, this prestigious event brings together over 150 exhibitors, industry leaders, and 3,000 to 4,000 delegates and visitors to advance India's electronic supply chain and drive sustained growth in the sector. With consistent and strong support since 2009 from the Ministry of Industries, Tamil Nadu Source India has grown into a robust platform that connects business across the electronic system design and manufacturing ecosystem. The event focused this year on enhancing the electronic supply chain, catalyzing the value addition for a resilient electronic sector with participation by overseas companies from Taiwan, Singapore, Russia, and Japan. India's electronics industry has seen remarkable growth with its output rising from USD 37 billion in 2015 to 16 to over USD 115 billion in 2023 to 2024. Exports have surged to approximately USD 29 billion in 2023 to 2024, contributing to the creation of nearly 2 million jobs within industry. However, India's electronics market still constitute the limited 4% share of the global market valued at USD 4.3 trillion. This is dominated by countries such as China, Taiwan, South Korea, Japan, and USA. To become globally competitive, India must localize high-tech component manufacturing, enhancing R&D capabilities, and form strategic partnership with global technology leaders.